So hello guys, welcome back to J Fashion Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to cut your senator's wear, your senator's shirt. Yeah, so you see I've already folded the material. This is the front piece and this is also the back piece of the shirt. I folded, you see, 1 2 3 and 4. So for the material. So the measurement I'm using for this shirt is the shoulder is 19 inches. Then the chest is 44 inches. The length, the full length of this shirt is 36. Are you getting me? The shoulder is 19 inches, chest is 44 inches, then the full length of this shirt is 36 inches. So let's go to business of the day. And don't forget to also like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. So first I'm going to take my shoulder slant. So I'm going to use 4 inches for my shoulder slant. 4 inches. 4 inches for my shoulder slant. So you see, this is my 4 inches. I'm going to mark it 4 inches. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line there. After drawing the line, and I'll cut it. I also cut the back piece, the same thing. So you see, I've cut it. When you've cut it like this, then you take the front piece, the front, you're going to take it back. Measure the same 4 inches. Again, 4 inches altogether is 4 inches. Also here 4 inches. And fold it like this. Then you're going to fold it. Still take the back piece. Let it come up with ½ inch or quarter inch. Depends on how you sew it. It's going to lap on this. The back one is going to lap on the front. You see, you fold it like this. You fold it. And the next, you're going to use your iron. Don't forget, iron is very important. It's very important aspect of making a garment, a clothes, a shirt, native. You need to use iron so that your work will look good. You see, I've already got. So the next, I'm going to put my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 19 inches. So this is 19 inches. You see, closely, this is 19 inches. So I'm going to divide it. 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2. You see, 9.5. So 9.5, I'm going to add ½ inch. That's 10 inches for the sewing allowance. 10 inches. Sorry, when you divide 19 divided by 2, it's going to give you 9.5. So 9.5, I'm going to add ½ inch. That's 10 inches. So I've already marked the 10 inches. Then you're going to come back. Then you're going to come down the same 9.5 inch. The shoulder, 9.5 inch. We are not going to add any half inches again because of this thing of the lacking of the back to the front. We are not going to add anything again. So 9.5 inch. Then you are going to take half inch on the measurement. Half inch on the measurement. Draw a line. Then when you how to get this curve, you are going to use 1 inch. How to get this curve? You mark 1 inch. Then here you're going to mark half inch. Oh, let me cut it. See, I've cut it already. So now we're going to the neck. The neck. Before we put the measurement, the full measurement. So for the neck depth, I'm using 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches, 4.5, 4.5 inches, depends on how you call it. And for the neck width, the width of the neck, I'm using 2.5, 2.5 inches. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches. I'm going to curve it, let it align so well. So you see I have cut it to the line. So the next I'm going to cut it. Take this one up and cut it. After you cut, then for the downside that overlap the front, we are going to notch it. If you notch it, then you are going to also cut it this. Make sure you arrange the neck, you shape it that it look neat. Use iron. Iron is very important. It's very important when it comes to aspect of sewing, cutting. So now we are done with the cutting of the shoulder, the armhole, and the neck. So next thing we are going to decide the full measurement for this kaftan. Full measurement for this kaftan. The full measurement is 36. Sorry, yeah, it's 36. So this is 36. This is my 36. Here, my 36. So 36, I'm going to add 3 inches or 3.5 inches. You see, 3 inches or 3.5 inches. I'm going to add 3 inches or 3.5 inches. Let me just add 3.5. Then draw a straight line. Also draw the main line, the main measurement line. Cut it. So now I'll cut. So you see, so now the chest measurement is 44. 44 divided by 4. This is 44 divided by 4. 44 divided by 4. Fold it again. So this is 11. So I'm going to put the 11. I'm going to mark all through 11. I'm going to mark 11. I'm going to mark 11. I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a line. So now for the down slit, I'm going to mark 11 inches for the down slit, or I will just use 10 inches for the down slit. 10 inches, you see, this is 10 inches. So I will not measure it from here because this is the folding one. It's going to come down, it's going to come up, so no need of. You're going to measure it from the main measurement, not from the folding allowance. So I'm making use of the 10 inches. That's for the slit, the down slit of the shirt of this kaftan. So after that, I'm going to mark 1 inch. That's allowance. Draw a line. Also draw a line. So I'm going to cut it. So you see, we are done cutting this shirt. So mind you, whenever you are cutting, before you cut the material, indicate the back and the front, the inside and the outside of the material. So this is how to cut a senator's kaftan for your client. So if you find this video helpful, interesting, don't forget to like and also share, and most importantly subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I post a video you will be notified. So thank you. I remain J Fashion Academy. Yeah, invite your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much. See you next. I love you guys.